last time we already finished this.
Okay, you want me to make this airplane, so we need to finish reading. If you read this, you can read this again.
I
A, E, I.
eat
Next.
it as
Tate, dito, two.
two
Is it two?
words.
Or again. A, E, I.
Where's E? T
A,
A A
E. Oh, you see
Eat.
E.
Eat. Eat.
Next,
I
this
said
one.
eat. Ha?
Tate, tito, two.
Sa. Sa. As.
Ita,
As.
itaas.
Why wouldn't
So we can make this airplane again.
B.
A, E.
Mommy.
You can do it.
I.
It's not English.
E.
Very good.
Ba. Ba.
Very good.
What I'm trying to emphasize here is there are new systems now that we can actually introduce
Ma.
like digital governance. But then in
Na.
governance, these are very
Ga, gegi, gogu.
Word.
tinatanong ko nung what
Ma. Very good na. Next.
Ga.
Next.
hindi. Nagpunta ka ba rito?
Ga.
Read this.
Mag.
It's not na. What's that letter?
An.
Very good. Magaan. Next.
Nilang mga analytics, these are analysis of quantitative and quantitative data. What I mean by this is
Bita.
immediately na fuse
Ha? Again? Ma?
Bita.
Anong mabita? Mabi? What's that? Gagegi, gogu. What's that?
Gat.
Mabigat. Next. Oh, you can do this. Almost finished. One more. Just last. Ma?
Malayo. Malapit.
Done. Finish.
Can you make the airplane?
JM. Yes, we'll make this circle. JM. Finish na, JM.